Hello everybody. There are some tips I will tell you to make the bean roll fast. The beans roll faster, and the change damage is less. Because sometimes I know it's hard for you to do because it's just a little bit. You might be the beans might be turn nasty. The beans might turn nasty. So usually I went to the store, the cheap one. I take it because I don't know which one is good beans or not good. So I choose the one with the cheap one. I try to pick though because it's most of the time it's not all the whole bean. I have some broken beans in here too. See, this cannot go to become the sprout. This might be cause a problem with the sprout not turn the beans not turn sprouts, but the smell too nasty too. I try as much as I can because it's right now it's hard to see. I do it later, and then when that's time I will show you how. See, it's a broken beans. Come on. See. Ah! Be careful. I make a it's like it's not a lot, so don't waste my time. Okay, then next, because I use this because they have a two hand here, I just hold in here, so easy for me. I don't have to hold it. I try to do this. The reason I do this because it's that's what I think. I make the skin, the bean skin is kind of little thinner, so it's grow faster. This is a metal, so it's kind of scratch the skin to thinner. Also, those dirt or stuff is drop here, so your sprout not damaged. You don't have to do a lot, just a little bit. So now okay, just and now I just soak it in the water. That's the water, Yeah, you can use warm water, but just a little warm. Don't use the water too warm, because the too warm is might damage to the to damage the bean. You can do it like in the water too, so it's wash away dust stuff. Sorry. And then that's me drying our water out. And now use some more cover, just cover, and put on the side as in the corner of your kitchen or whatever.